just a picture on a frame.
Today we're going to explore how to make avatars or talking pictures.
I am a talking chunk of marble. I am created by artificial intelligence.
Why use avatars? Avatars can be used to help you make money online by selling designs or virtual items, to offer services like customization or modeling for brands, to give privacy and let you express yourself online without showing your face.
I can be your social media influencer, your design and virtual item seller, your model for brand.
Watch these avatars. They are created by artificial intelligence.
Discover the shopping world of Temu, offering unbeatable prices and a vast selection of products.
Whether you're looking for electronics, fashion, home goods, or more, Temu has got you covered.
Today we're going to explore the Wondershare Virbo Ai avatar creator. This amazing tool allows you to create your own personalized avatars, complete with voiceovers, backgrounds, subtitles, and even background music.
Virbo AI is an advanced video generator that turns text into professional videos effortlessly. It has 300+ voices in multiple languages. Offering features like script optimization, AI avatar customization, and text-to-speech, it's perfect for marketing, social media, and training. There are free trial and paid options.
How can you create talking pictures or avatars with Virbo AI? Here are the steps. Step 1. Get Virbo AI. You can download Virbo AI to your computer or access Virbo AI online through their website. The link is provided in the description below. If you are using mobile phone, you can download the Virbo AI app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android devices. In this video, I will access Virbo AI online using a Windows OS personal computer. Step 2. Sign up or log in. Create a new account or sign in to your existing account. Since I already have an account, I will log in using my Google account. Choose the Gmail account, enter the password, and click Next. Click Generate AI Video Online. Step 3. Choose between an avatar or a talking photo. Virbo AI offers a variety of pre-designed avatars. Choose an avatar from Virbo's library that best suits your needs. Type the avatar's name in the search box, Natalia. Then choose the aspect ratio format. Use 16:9 for widescreen video format used in YouTube, or use 9:16 for vertical or portrait video format used in Instagram and TikTok. The video for the selected avatar will be prepared. It will take some time. To optimize your time, I will apply fast motion effect to the video. Here is the preview of your chosen avatar. If you choose the talking photo option, you'll need to upload or pick a photo from your device library. If necessary, crop the photo and click Confirm. Then, click Next. The following steps are the same and applicable whether you chose an avatar or a talking picture. Step 4. Provide the text you want the character or image to speak. Virbo offers a text box where you can type in your script or copy from a pre-written text editor. I used Google Docs to prepare the script so that I can just copy and paste. Set the speaker's gender, language, and the voice style for the talking picture that you just created. After playing and listening to the different voice styles, I chose the voice of Ashley. Click Select. To create the video of the talking picture, click Create Video. The video will be saved in the Downloads folder of the computer. You can add captions or subtitles, or even background music by checking their corresponding checkboxes. Now, the exporting of the video is going on, and it will take some time. I will fast forward it to save our viewing time. The video is created in the Virbo app. Step 5. Preview and download. Preview your creation and adjust the voice or text as needed. Once satisfied, download the talking picture. Click the download button. To view the downloaded file, go to the Downloads folder of the computer and open the file.
With me as your avatar, you can unleash your creativity, protect your privacy, and make a lasting impression in the digital realm. I'm here to help you. Let's have fun.
Virbo's other features. You can apply a transparent or a colored background, or you can choose any of the available backgrounds shown. To do that, click My Creations. Select the draft to which you want to apply the background change. Click Edit. On the left panel, click Background. Select from the different styles to choose from. You may also upload and use your own background. To apply this background, double-click on it.
And there you have it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy creating!